Hello everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook profile name. Now to do that, open the Facebook application first. Once you're at the Facebook application, you need to tap on the profile icon of yours. Tap that. Once you open the Facebook, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner just below the messenger icon. You tap that and here you scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. Tap on it, then tap on setting. In the setting piece, you need to tap on the personal and account information on the top. Tap that. Here you need to tap on name. Tap on it. Now here you will be able to change your Facebook profile name. But you need to note that once you change this, you will not be able to change your Facebook profile for another 60 days. Only after 60 days finishes, you will be able to change your name. So you can see your current name on your Facebook, that is Lexi Clear. So for you to provide a different one, you tap on the text box and remove the current name. Then type in a new name. I'm just gonna reverse it. Tap on the last name, remove it. Then provide the new name. And then you tap on review changes. Once you do that, you will have the preview of your name. You can choose how your name might look on your Facebook. You can choose the top or the second one. It's your choice. Then you need to provide the password to save the setting and then tap on save changes. And with that, your name will be changed to a different one as I have just reversed the name. So this is how you can change your Facebook profile name. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.